Hello friends, we are going to write a Python program to print the squares of first n natural numbers. We'll see the demo. Now I'm going to obtain a range from the user n equal to integer of input of enter the range. The input statement display the string enter the range in the user's console. When user enter the range, the input statement receives as a string and int function convert it as an integer and stores it in the variable n. Now I'm initializing a variable I equal to 1. I'm going to use this variable as a loop variable. Now I'm going to write the while loop while I less than or equal to n colon. While is the keyword for the while loop. I is the loop variable. I'm checking a condition while the I is less than or equal to the variable n, value of the variable n, that is the range. I'm writing a body of the loop. For a body, you have to give a indentation. This stands for the scope of the statement within the while loop. I'm printing print a string square of followed by I, the value of I, followed by a string is followed by I star I. So initially I is 1, it will print square of I is I star I, that is 1 into 1 is 1. Now I am incrementing the loop variable I equal to I plus 1. After incrementing I by 1, the controller will go to the conditional statement and check the condition is true. Now I is 2 now. It will print square of 2 is 2 star 2, 4. Now I will get incremented and the condition is checked. So up to the range n, the square of all the natural numbers will get printed. We will execute the program and check the result. Enter the range. I'm giving a range 10. So here I am getting square of 1 is 1, 2 is 4, 3 is 9, up to 10 is 100. The program is working perfectly. That's it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel, share, comment and press the bell button. Thank you.